Did you ever spend like hours for just changing the same settings of similar objects by the same values? What if I told you that it is possible to do this just by selecting the objects that you want to change the values for? In this video, I will show you how to do it.
Blender Defender.
So, I promised you to show you a trick for changing settings of multiple objects at the same time. This will help you if you have large scenes and need to adjust the same settings for multiple objects by the same value. It requires no add-ons or downloads. This cool feature comes natively with Blender. It even works for different object types as long as they share the same settings. For example, location. Objects that don't have this setting will be ignored, so it won't cause any errors. But let me show you how to do this. Let's say that I want to change the odd smooth property of this object, so I select them and then go to mesh data, normal auto smooth, and instead of just clicking on the checkbox, I press Alt and press on the checkbox, and then let's say I also want to change the angle for all these objects for the auto smooth. I can also type in the value I want, so let's say 45 degrees, and instead of pressing enter, I press Alt and enter. So that's the way you can change settings of multiple objects at once. Leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss new quick tips, and remember, a river cuts its way through stone not because it's strong, but because it persistently crushes its destination.